standing up there, they would have been all over you. I wonder what a squirrel.
Right there.
Oh, he late, ain't he? He got some? Last week, it was a popcorn right by him. That bird, he was already eating. And that bird, honey, came up there and wouldn't even touch it.
Oh, that bird saw the other bird popcorn.
You don't want to throw while they down there. Wait till they move. I wonder are those same two squirrels from last week. Huh?
Break me down.
Yeah, little bitty bird. They gone to leave. The squirrel always be the last one. It's probably the same squirrel. And them birds wouldn't get nothing that was close to him. Keva, you must put more down than I thought you did. They still eat? They leave. When they leave, you can go and give them some more. Look at that squirrel. He got like he's standing up there like I'm the king of this throne. I hate when they fly by me though. Go and throw some more. Just take a little bit and throw it real quick and run on back. Gone while they gone. Look at him. You stayed a little longer, girl. They would have got your butt.
Every time someone went on drive one, the other now they're going.
No, you were too slow coming back. You see how quick they ate it? That other squirrel, I know they got to be the same two squirrels. I wonder how they husband and wife. They be scared, because they be scared to mess with stuff around that squirrel. Oh, it scared me.
I really want some more.
Huh? Say what? You want some more?
Them bagels, they was good. They filled me up for those.
Go and throw some more down. You gonna wait till I bet you wanna do it while them birds there.
Oh, I bet I won't need it. I'm scared they gonna. Oh.
They might come and take it from you. Look at them. They tell you to give them some. Why you gonna leave the damn? You gonna leave the popcorn there? They up there open their mouth up like, give me some, give me some. Oh wee.
I thought they about to attack me.
Girl, yeah, that little bird is. I don't even know if I got it on here. I hope I did. That little bird was up there, opening mouth like, give me some, give me some. There they are. They waiting on you, Keva. Somebody went and told them. You scared? Where you go? Don't hide behind me. They waiting on you, Keva. Look at them. Keva, girl. Girl, shit. Girl, you throw that popcorn somewhere. Oh, I can't even get up. What it, girl? I'm gonna leave your drink. I'm gonna leave your drink for that. They coming at you. They coming at you from every direction. Hurry up that way, ain't nobody there. Nah, throw it over this way. Look at you running. That bird finna attack us. Girl, that's how I did when Look Kevin did it. Look Kevin about 3. And we was standing down there by the bus stop sign. And he threw that popcorn on the ground, girl, it was pigeons. And they just came from everywhere, flying. And everybody at the bus stop was running. Where? I told you drop some popcorn down there.
No, them crackers down there.
I'm gonna try to get your drink. Because if I have to run, I'm gonna leave. Ooh, that bird stole that bird popcorn. He had dropped it.
They all ran.
Look at that squirrel. He said, this is mine. There's 3 of them. I ain't never seen 3. Where them birds coming from? Damn, they done told everybody. Look, he took his popcorn and ran.
Sunday night,
All this popcorn and they need to go on back.
They going. You throwing it too close to us, though. Look at what? Stop flying by me. Keva, you need to hurry and get rid of that bag. Go to another side. Go to another side where ain't no popcorn. Nah, I'm talking about over here. Over there. Go like where that concrete thing is. They going over that way. Now you must have some crumbs over there. Oh, you threw something over there too? Are you gonna eat it? Oh, now you scared. You got all these birds over here.